In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a side menu to your website using the Wix editor. A side menu can make navigation more intuitive for your visitors, especially if your site contains a lot of content or multiple categories that need to be easily accessible. To get started, log into your Wix account and open the website editor for the site you want to work on. Make sure you've thought about the kind of menu you want to have. Knowing what pages and links you want to include will help you make better design choices later on. Once you're in the editor, you'll find a toolbar on the left side. This toolbar is your gateway to all the elements you might want to add to your website. Today, we're focusing on the Add button. It's this little plus sign icon. Clicking on it will give you a list of categories for different elements such as text, images, buttons, and more. Among these categories, look for the Menu option. Once you click on Menu, you'll see various menu styles you can choose from. Since we're specifically interested in a side menu, browse through the options until you find a layout that's labeled as a side menu or has a similar vertical design. Take your time exploring these options. Pick a style that complements your website's theme and design well. Remember, consistency is key to a visually appealing website, and your menu should blend seamlessly with the rest of your site's aesthetics. Once you've decided on the layout, click on it, and Wix will automatically add it to your page. Now, it might not land exactly where you want it to be, but don't worry. With the menu still selected, you can drag and drop it around the page to place it exactly where you want it. Typically, a side menu is best positioned on the left or right edge of your web page. This positioning makes it easily accessible without interrupting the main content. After you've positioned your menu, take a moment to customize it. Click on the menu and you'll see design options pop up. Here, you can adjust colors, fonts, and even animations. Tailor these elements to make sure your menu not only looks great, but also offers an intuitive navigation experience. Once you're satisfied, hit the Publish button at the top right to save all your hard work and make it live. And there you have it. You've successfully added and customized a side menu to your Wix site. This feature is fantastic for enhancing user experience by making your site easy to navigate and visually structured. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on how to build a stunning website on Wix. Happy editing!